Hi friends, it's me Udaya from Backyard Garden Highlights, Hillsborough, New Jersey, gardening in Zone 6B. I am excited about sharing this video with you guys because I'm trying to experiment winter sowing first time in my life. Winter sowing is a method of outdoor seed germination early in the season using a miniature greenhouse setup without spending lots of cost, but just using things that you'll otherwise throw it, such as milk jugs or water jugs. There are lots of good things about this method. You don't need any grow lights. You don't need to worry about shelves, trays, indoor storage space. Little maintenance is just needed when others in the garden are just starting their seeding process. By the time you already have your own seedlings that are ready to transplant. So you save at least a couple of weeks or even a month time. Another thing about winter sowing is hardening isn't required because we already grow the plants outside, and that would have gone through all different variations with the weather, so we don't need to harden them specifically. In fact, seedlings grown outside using this winter sowing methods are stronger than the seedlings that we grow inside. Now let's talk about the soil. Recommended to put potting soil so that it can hold the moisture a little bit more than the seed starter mix. Now let's talk about water needs. As long as you get enough rainfall or snowfall in your area, that is sufficient. You may need to keep an eye on it, like every 3 weeks once, maybe you may need to water. Finally, once the last frost date is over, it can be transplanted to the ground or the pots. So let's see how it comes up. I'll share you guys updated video also. So you guys need jugs like this, a clear bottle that can hold 4 inches of soil, and then the lights can come in. And then you guys need a tape, a scissor and a knife. And be careful with using knife. You make sure you put enough drainage holes. Okay, so you can see 4 to 6, I think that is sufficient. All I'm going to do is just make a hole this side and then make a hole the other side and then cut over. I'm going to try it to make it straight to my best. Okay, that's it. So you just leave a little bit here so that the hinge is easy to carry if you want to. And then you guys need some labels. I'm using seeds that are hardy perennials. And then potting soil mix. It is moistened but not too soggy. So when you hold it, it should hold the shape, but it should not get watered. Okay, let's get start the seeding process. Okay, so now let's fill the soil. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you again in next video.